My video guide is about getting rid of the fake software or fake Chrome update alerts that are coming from the website Lp.xfffx.xyz. So this is the deceptive message that may attack Google Chrome browser. It tells that some required installation is ready, and it tells that this is some Flash SD app which is required to proceed. It also says you need to click download, then simply add to Chrome to complete the final step. Now, all this information displayed by Lp.xfffx.xyz pop-ups is totally deceptive. If you install this fake update, you are actually installing the browser hijacker that would change a lot of browser settings for the Google Chrome browser. If you have installed any of such fake updates, you need to get rid of the third-party extensions. So go to the menu of the Google Chrome browser, then click on More Tools and click on Extensions. So when you find any suspicious extensions here, you need to disable and you may remove them completely. And if you see any other unfamiliar extensions like that, get rid of them too. I would also recommend you to research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. After you download the software, install the program and begin the research of your system. This is important because the computer could be additionally messed up by some adware or malware. So scan your system with Combo Cleaner to remove this malware effectively and to protect your system from being damaged in future. So Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your PC and make it great again. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protect it against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.